वाघा अटारी पे जो होता है, वो जो सेरेमनी जो होती है, what do you have to
I
feel?
agree with
हाँ.
that. It is actually not the classic drill that we should be doing.
हाँ.
But then it has become a tourist attraction. If that josh is not injected, probably tourists will stop coming. And
ना
in
ही
fact,
आए ना, क्यों आना है
नहीं,
वहाँ पे?
मैं
Border
एक
management
चीज
ऐसा बना दिया फालतू
एक चीज
फंड को
बताता हूँ इसमें कि our population is not aware of what happens on the border. You have called us
जी.
to talk about BSF. So probably word will go around, but hardly any media or any news channel, etc., they cover what BSF does. बॉर्डर पे कुछ हो रहा है तो फौज है, इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी में कुछ कर रहे हैं तो
CRPF,
पुलिस है,
हाँ.
पुलिस है, सीआरपी भी नहीं है. आई मीन द CPOs आर नॉट ऑन द होरिजन.
I get that.
That is true.
सो अगर ये इस तरह से जाके टूरिस्ट वहाँ जाएं तो देखते हैं बॉर्डर पे क्या है. अदरवाइज बड़ा एक क्या वर्ड है, बड़ा इमेजिनरी सा रोमांटिसाइज्ड व्यू होता है लोगों का कि बॉर्डर ऐसा है ना, और हमेशा लड़ाई रहती है या कुछ रहता है. आफ्टर ऑल जवान्स आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स.
Yeah.
When they interact, there is humor also. There is sometimes a serious talk also. There is sometimes exchange. But I agree that drill part is very aggressive. And I was.
But drill is important I mean, I'm not talking about that exaggerated drill, but drill is very important in your camps. I've been to some of your camps. वहाँ पे the women are also involved in that. चाहे वो आपका वॉलीबॉल खेलते टाइम हो या मार्चिंग हो या जो भी हो, ड्रिल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर कीपिंग द मोरल ऑल्सो एंड टू कीप देम एक्टिव एंड एजाइल.
Inculcate discipline.
Drill, हाँ.
Drill is uniform movement of everyone. So inculcating discipline is mainly through drill and other action. Baaki sports activities is bonding. It is relaxation, recreation, bonding between jawans and officers, and between jawans also.
जी.
So that all those aspects are important. Ladies आपने mention किया तो बड़ा अच्छा you have brought this here. We now have about 10,000 women in the organization. And after the initial hesitance of a male-dominated organization in accepting them, things are settling down.
जी.
Things are settling down, and they are now doing almost the similar duties that the men do. I was talking with a field commander recently in Punjab or Jammu somewhere, and he said that there was a thought that we should withdraw girls from the borders during this Sindoor. But then some of the girls said, no, we'll stay here and we'll do duties. So that kind of jo Hindi Urdu mein kehte jazba is also developing in women also. So only thing is that as the number grows to the required limit of 15%,
फिर इंटीग्रेशन हो जाए.
integration तो हो जाएगा. We'll also have to sort of modify HR policies so that men do not get overburdened. अभी थोड़ा सा फिर भी वो उनको थोड़ा सा protective. So that I'm sure the policy makers are considering.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.